I wanna attach this mic on 6TD, my friend 6TD. This will just attach on hot shoe. Now I wanna plug this mic jack. Record with internal mic DSLR and with the settings auto, you can hear the ambience. How to different with after this we record with the Rode mic DSLR. Okay, now I'm record with the distance 3 meters more, 3 meters, 3 meters. Me and my camera, and now okay. Now we record same with 6TD Canon and but different. Now we record with the mic DSLR Rode with lyre suspension. You can hear this outside my home, the traffic, motorcycle and mobile. Now I'm record with the distance more 3 meters, 3 or 4 meters. Now we record this video same before it with Canon 6TD and Rode mic DSLR with record lyre. And now we have a different setting in that mic DSLR. I just switch on and over that we have settings 80 Hz. Okay. Thank you for the watch this video. You can hear what the difference of results audio Canon 6TD or audio with Rode record. Don't forget for leave a comment, like or dislike, and you can subscribe.